Welcome students to Chemistry Concept. This is Pankaj Singh, and now we are going to discuss a very important question, not only for the board exams but also for the competitive exams, that whenever we react alkyl halide with aqueous KOH, substitution reaction takes place, or Cl is replaced by OH, alcohol is formed. But when we use alcoholic KOH, elimination takes place. H and Cl are removed to form alkene. So why so? Why in one case alcohol substitution is taking place, but in other case elimination is taking place? We are going to discuss this. But before we start with this, if you have not done yet, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So whenever a video is uploaded, you come to know about the same. We keep on uploading the videos on the regular basis, obviously of the chemistry. So stay tuned. Okay. So to start with this, actually, see. You must be knowing about Lewis base. Lewis base is something, let me make that clear. We have to learn something in background. There's something called Lewis base and there's something called nucleophiles. So Lewis bases are electron donors and all the anions are Lewis base. Anything which has extra electron can donate an electron. So all the anions like OH negative, etc., they all are Lewis bases. This was the definition of base by Lewis. In the same way, nucleophile is something which has affinity for the electron, for the nucleus, for the positive charge. That means they are also negatively charged. So they are also anions. An example could be OH negative only. So one anion may behave as a base or it may behave as a nucleophile. Now what is the difference between two? Okay, if something behaves as a nucleophile, substitution will take place. If something behaves as a base, if the reagent behaves as a base, elimination will take place. So let me write, if we are using a reactant or a reagent to carry out certain reaction, and if that reagent is behaving as a nucleophile, substitution, nucleophilic substitution will take place. And if that anion or reagent behave as a Lewis base, elimination will take place. Fine. Now how do we decide which one will behave as a nucleophile, which one will behave as a base? We'll create a separate video for this. Okay. It may depend upon the condition. Let me give you an example. It's a very controversial topic, but I'll tell you only one thing. Let's say there is something called A negative is an anion. It is negative, so it is an anion, so it will be attracted toward cation. Now let's say we have two cation. One is H positive, another is, let's say, a carbocation. Done. Now we'll see that this A negative has more affinity for the H positive or for CH3 negative, मतलब for proton or for a carbocation. If it has greater affinity for proton as compared to CH3 negative, the carbocation, it will behave as a base. And if it has more affinity for the carbocation as compared to proton, it will behave as a nucleophile. So anything which makes a stronger bond with carbon behaves as a nucleophile, and anything which makes a stronger bond with hydrogen or proton behave as a base. That's it. So this was the background. There are certain more things which we'll discuss sometime later in some other video regarding acids like bases and nucleophiles. So here, what is the answer of my question? If I talk about the first case, we have aqueous KOH. Okay, we have aqueous KOH. That means KOH present with water. It's an ionic substance, and we are well aware anything which is ionic dissociates in water. This will produce H positive and OH negative. This OH negative is formed, and this OH negative behaves as a nucleophile, and that's why substitution reaction takes place. Okay, now let me separate first. Okay, if I talk about the second one, which is alcoholic KOH, this time KOH is not dissolved in water, but KOH is dissolved in alcohol like RCH2OH. Now here, because it is not water, it doesn't dissociate easily, but here what happens, KOH is a basic substance, we know its base, and alcohol is slightly acidic. So acid base reaction takes place, resulting into formation of salt R, let me use a separate color, R CO negative, R CH2O negative, K positive plus H2O, this OH and this H comes together. So now you can see in this case we don't have OH negative ion. What we get is this called alkoxide ion, and this alkoxide ion behaves as a base. So because it behaves as a base, so rather than replacing the chlorine and forming bond with the carbon, it prefers, because it is base, it has greater affinity for the hydrogen. It prefers to remove the H positive from here because it's a base. Fine, resulting, and then Cl is removed, resulting into formation of alkene, or we can say elimination takes place. Done. So the simple answer is, because in aqueous KOH, OH negative ion is formed, which behave as a nucleophile, and substitution reaction takes place. But in alcoholic KOH, we get alkoxide ion, and that alkoxide ion behave as a base and removes proton from the beta carbon, and elimination takes place. I hope this was clear to you. Here no OH negative is formed, alkoxide ion is formed. Okay, I hope this was clear to you. If not, you can always ask in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and like it, and also subscribe the channel. Thanks.